The 2024 Land Rover Defender 130 Outbound has been debuted as the latest addition to the brand's SUV lineup that's ready to support drivers no matter where their adventures take them. The SUV features a supercharged V8 engine that produces 493 horsepower to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. While the Terrain Response 2 system supports driving on any terrain, the vehicle features a 5-seat design that replaces the usual third row inside the SUV with storage space by adding in an additional 50 inches of floor space for a total of 89 cubic feet of area for placing gear. Land Rover Defender 130 Outbound is rounded out with electronic air suspension and adaptive dynamics to ensure the utmost attention to a comfortable ride. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Here, you'll find all the latest news and information about cars, trucks, and everything automotive. We are dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information on new models, industry trends, and the latest advancements in automotive technology. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Starting with the new Defender 130 Outbound. It is available exclusively in 5-seat configuration and has been designed with a key focus on overland adventures. Notable features of the 130 Outbound include a near-flat load space at the rear with up to 88.85 cubic feet of space, as well as a cabin that comes complete with durable rubber floor matting that can be folded out over the rear bumper when loading in heavy objects. Land Rover has also equipped the new model with various lashing points throughout the rear and a new cargo net to secure various items. Customers will be able to have the cabin trimmed in either full Windsor leather or durable resist fabric, all of which have an ebony finish with an ebony morzine headliner, robustic veneer, and a cross carbine finished in a satin black powder coat brushed finish. As for the exterior, it adds a Shadow Atlas matte finish to the bumpers and grille insert, as well as anthracite-colored side vents. Land Rover has also fitted 20-inch wheels finished in gloss black and offers 22-inch wheels in Shadow Atlas matte. The exterior of the Defender 130 Outbound can be finished in either Fuji white, Santorini black, Carpathian gray, or Eiger gray. A satin protective film is also offered from the factory. Land Rover has also updated the 2024 Defender with the addition of a 5-liter supercharged V8 to the 130 variant. This engine churns out 493 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque and allows the potent off-roader to hit 62 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. Elsewhere, the Defender 130 V8 is offered exclusively in Carpathian gray or Santorini black and includes quad exhausts, a sliding panoramic roof with black contrast roof, matrix LED headlights, darkened taillights, privacy glass, and 22-inch satin dark gray wheels. Among the interior features include a 14-way heated and cooled driver's seat, sweet cloth heated steering wheel, 4-zone climate control, and a powerful Meridian sound system. Rounding out the updates is the launch of the Defender 110's new County exterior pack. This pack is inspired by the original Defender County and comes with unique graphics, illuminated tread plates, and striking 20-inch alloy wheels finished in white. The exterior can be bathed in either Fuji white with a Tasman blue contrast roof and tailgate, Santorini black with a Tasman blue contrast roof and tailgate, or with a Tasman blue body with a white contrast roof and tailgate. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.